Best is always next time. Thank you for giving out your best performance. Just want you guys to know that when it comes to competition, obviously there's winners and losers. So just want to say thank you. And
Okay, so another announcement. The top 3 dance teams that win today, if you guys want to meet with the dance coordinator at that blue tent over there afterwards, or your coach to meet with the dance coordinator to fill out the form before you get the check, all right? All right. We're going to announce who gets 3rd place first, all right? Từ tàu tiếp bé ổn định nào. Từ tàu tiếp bé muốn luôn bé hữu ủa. Sirens! All right, the team that gets 2nd place is Ntsa!
Good job, girls!
this is it, the moment you've been waiting for. Thank you for your patience. The winner of today's dance competition is Yees!
Mic test. Alright, I want to thank you so much for everything today, and congratulations to the winner. And just so you all know that you guys are still winners in everyone's heart, okay? And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. And I also want to take a pictures with all the pretty girls here. And if you guys want to take a pictures too, feel free to be here and take a pictures. And thank you so much.